Welcome to today's episode, Educate Finance Podcast. Do you know that one company that has been in existence for almost 2 decades now has gotten an approval from Ghana Stock Exchange and Security Exchange Commission to launch their IPO? Now you'll be wondering to ask which company am I talking about? For you not to miss out, just stay with me to the end of this episode and also share this video to at least 3 or 4 people for them to have more info about what I'm about to say. Do you know that Petrosol Energy PLC has gotten the approval from Ghana Stock Exchange and Security Exchange Commission to launch their IPO on the Ghana stock market to raise a capital for a long-term developmental project? If you don't know, this company has been in existence for almost 2 decades now. It was formed in the year 2006 as a petroleum consulting firm, and it was transitioned from petroleum consulting firm to oil marketing company in the year 2014. The purpose of this IPO is to fund a long-term developmental project which consists of solar energy projects, electronic vehicle charging station. Do you know that this company at the same time has almost 115, approximately 115 outlets stations across the nationwide? That is why we are saying that this company may somehow, some way will perform well. You may ask, how will you know that this company is going to perform well or is not going to perform well? Since the company is not yet listed on Ghana Stock Exchange, how will you get to know that it's going to perform well? Because it is a private owned company which is not legally required to publish their financial report to the public for investors to know. So how will you get to know that this company is going to perform well or is not going to perform well? The primary factor for every investors to know that this company is going to perform well is to get head of their financial report. But in this case, this company is not listed. So how will you get to know that this company is going to perform well? That is where we look at some characteristics of that particular company about to list on the stock market. First, we look at the business model of that company. When you look at the business model of that company, it will give you a clear indication of whether the company is going to perform well or is not going to perform well.